Let's talk about clipboard managers. I'm a freelancer. I work on my computer every day. I do a lot of copy and pasting images, designs, links, all that kind of stuff. Sometimes I will even use my clipboard manager to save an entire article and come back to it because I don't know where to save it, right? So in the past, what I've done is I have just copied things and put them into a text document or a notepad or something like that. And the problem with that is that it's really hard to search for them, and I have to have a document open in order to copy and paste stuff. And the default clipboard manager for Mac is just terrible because it only has a history of one thing. I just want something that's simple where I can copy stuff and save it for later. And I also wanted something where I could copy something on my Mac and then also pull it up on my iPhone. So that way, one of my use cases is that I have a meeting link that I want to share with somebody, and I copy it, and then if I'm doing email on my phone, I can go to my clipboard manager and I could just copy and paste the meeting link that I copied on my Mac. So before I go into the actual tool, I want to say there's hundreds of clipboard managers out there. My suggestion to you is make a list of the things that are important to you and then not important to you. So, all right, so let's go into it. The tool that I've been using is called Paste. Here it is. It's called Paste Clipboard Manager, and it works on the iPhone, iPad, desktop, and it's a really, really great app. I'm going to show you why in a second, and you can try it for free. The pricing is $30 a year. I'm going to show you how to get this for a lot less than that at the end of the video. But first let me just show you the app. I have a keyboard shortcut, Option Command P, and then it pulls up the paste pop-up or whatever. And so here's what it looks like. Paste will, if I copy a link or an image or a website, you can see here that it shows me it's a link from my browser. It can show me it's a Notion. It has images. It even has colors that I've copied. And what I can do is I can just search. So here's my workflow. So I'll do paste, and I'll automatically start typing the keyword that I remember of the link that I copied. So in this case, meeting, right? And here's the meeting link that I wanted to copy. So I just double click it or press enter. And if I open up my notes, you can see it pastes the link right in there. Now, if I also go into here and I do, this, and I just double click on it, it didn't work. Oh, was fantastic. It usually does, right? So the great thing about this is that I can color code the links, and I can put them in little folders. So I have ChatGPT prompts that I've used often. And then, so what I can do is I can just go to ChatGPT prompts and I can find the one that I want to use. And I can even preview the text right from here. And then I can go in and edit it if I want to. And I can also drag stuff into little folders. So I have meeting links here. And all I need to do is I go to meeting links, stuff's right here. And you can see I can pin specific ones. I can I can do a lot of stuff. So it's really simple. And this exact thing works on my iPhone. So my iPhone, I don't know if it shows it here. Yeah. So you click on this little world icon here, the keyboard icon, and then it has another keyboard that you add called paste. And then in that keyboard it's just what you see here on the Mac, but it's on your iPhone keyboard. And the same links that you copied are here. And you can see this goes back for, gosh, I mean, months and months, right? All the links that I've saved, everything that I copy gets put into this little dashboard here, and I can find it anytime that I want. Paste is, so it's $29 a year. I use something called Setapp. And so Setapp is, and I don't know if it does have a trial on it. I don't know how long the trial is, but my suggestion would be go to Setapp. Setapp is the Netflix of software applications. And for me, it's a dream because you get, for $10 a month, you get access to 250 apps. And Paste is one of them. So you can see here, but then I also use PopClip, which is another phenomenal. I use Downy to download YouTube videos and Wistia videos and videos from all my courses that I get. Drop Zone is great because I just drag stuff into Drop Zone and it saves it for later. Clean Shot, which is a screenshot, or X Snapper. So my suggestion would be to go and into Setapp and try this for free for 7 days. You can try Paste, but then also go through the apps and start looking for, say you're paying for Craft, right? Craft is, I don't know, $5 a month, $10 a month. It's included in Setapp, right? So you could get Craft plus 200 other apps and Paste, and they're always adding new ones. Whether or not you decide to do that, I'm going to put links to both in the comments to get Paste and try it out, or Setapp. Either way, I will say that there are plenty of other clipboard managers out there. This is just a really easy one that I've been using for the past year or two, and I just have not had any issues with it, and it's all my use cases are fulfilled by this. I think so. If that's what you're looking for, Paste might be your Jiminy Jam. Thanks for hanging out with me today, YouTube fam. I'll see you at dinner. Make sure to do your homework. Love you.